Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to deactivate Messenger in 2023. First of all, open up the Facebook app. Once you get into your Facebook account, click on Menu from the bottom right corner. Then tap on Settings icon from the top right corner. Tap to see more in the Account Center and click on Personal Details. Now tap on Account Ownership and Control. Then tap on Deactivation or Deletion option. Select your account to deactivate your account. Now choose the option of Deactivate Account and click on Continue. Enter your account password and click on Continue. Choose the reason for your deactivation as this is temporary, I'll be back, and click on Continue. Now choose the days as don't reactivate automatically from Reactivate this account and click on Done. Then click on Continue. Here, tap on Deactivate my account. After that, click to open up the Messenger app. Click on Menu from the top right corner. Tap on Settings icon from the top right corner. Now tap to see more in Account Center. Here click on Personal Details. Then click on Account Ownership and Control and tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Select your account that you want to deactivate. Choose the option of Deactivate Messenger and click on Continue. Now enter your account password and click to continue. For the last step, tap on the Deactivate Messenger option. Thank you very much for watching and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.